How to sign up to AWIN affiliate program. Signing up for the AWIN affiliate program lets you earn commissions by promoting various brands and referring customers to their products or services through affiliate marketing. Now, here is how we can do that one. First things first, I want you to go ahead and look for AWIN affiliate. There you go. As you can see, you have here AWIN, join our global affiliate program. So just go ahead and click this one right here. Alright, now that you are here, we're just going to go ahead and hit the get started button right here, or you can go ahead and click this one here in order to be able to see AWIN's plans. Now from this point forward, I'm just going to go ahead and hit get started. Alright, from this point forward, you'll be presented with three options here. So the one that we are going to be using is this one here, publisher. So I'm just going to go ahead and click sign up to AWIN. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and hit join AWIN right now. Now here you have the account set up, so basically you are just going to go ahead and finish all of these right here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get it done. First things first, you're going to go ahead and put your registered business in here or your company name, or if you don't have a company name, you can basically enter the name you would like your business to be referred to. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and call this one Easy Weber Unofficial. And this time, go ahead and click this one right here and choose the country of your origin or your tax residency. So in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and choose Australia, for example. And then I'm going to go ahead and write here my name. So say, for example, like that. And then my email address, of course. Alright, and then the password. This is very important. Make sure that you are using a password that you are familiar to. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and hit next step. Alright, now for the promotional type, you can go ahead and click this one and choose the primary region where you are going to operate most of the time. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose, say for example, Canada. And then for the promotional type, go ahead and choose between the following. Say for example, if it was content, I'm going to go ahead and click this one and basically check everything here that is necessary. So for example, cashback. There you go. Let's go ahead and try. Alright, this one, content creators, set as primary promotional, and then you also have a discount code, editorial content, and then lead generation, media content. Okay, there you go. And then virtual incentives. Now for the display, you also have here 8, so go ahead and choose between the following here. Say for example, I'm just going to choose ad network, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose a mobile traffic. And then for the email, newsletter, say for example. And then for the search, go ahead and choose something that is important. And then for the search, I'm going to choose say mobile search, social search, and then click next step. Alright, so you have here your promotional space URL. So this is going to be your website, say for example, where you're going to do most of the promotional. Say for example, I'm just going to go ahead and name this one easyweber.com. Just say for example, if this one is existing, so you can go ahead and put it here. You can also go ahead and put your social media websites in here. And then for the description, tell the advertisement what you do. So this is actually very important because this is going to appear in your profile. So I'm going to go ahead and put here a sample description. Alright, just something like that, because I'm going to go ahead and leave this to you guys. Now this time you have the sectors. Go ahead and click this one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and choose between the following. So okay, go back here. So we're going to go ahead and choose credit cards, insurance, and then loans. And then for the retail and shopping, go ahead and choose. Say for example, we're going to go ahead to the audiovisual, automotive, and then we're going to go to the other one, gadgets. There you go. Now you have telcos and services. So go ahead and check everything here that fits the best with what your needs are. So I'm just going to go ahead and click entertainment downloads, gambling competitions. For the travel, I'm going to choose, say for example, car rental, airport parking transfers, and say lead generation. Click next step. And then you have here the country. So this is a verification, and this is actually very important. So go ahead and click this one and choose the country of your origin. Say for example, if I'm from the Philippines, you have here a flat, building number, and so on and so forth. These are actually very important. So we're going to go ahead and do this quite fast. And then for the verification method, choose between the following. So say for example, if I were to choose invitation code, I can just go ahead and put it there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my code here. If it is an online payment, go ahead and click this one, check this, and then I'm going to go ahead and click this one. So it's up to you if you're going to subscribe to AWIN's newsletters. You can definitely go ahead and check this one or leave it blank. And then I'm going to go ahead and click join our network. Oops, the phone number, of course. Alright, there you go. So from this point forward, what you're going to do is just basically pay for this one. So it's just going to cost you $1. So go ahead and put here your card number, card holder's name, expiration date, and then the security code. After doing that, you can just go ahead and hit make payment, and you are done, everybody. So yep, that is how easy it is. Congratulations, everybody. Now you know how to sign up to AWIN's affiliate program. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.